Hi, my name is Sarah Poche Madsen, and this is the site that I created for Marketing 250. And this is actually my sister's business, so um, I didn't know what to do, and she's like, "Oh, you can make a website for me." So she cuts things out of wood on her scroll saw. So, and there's kind of two types of products. Um, and they're both fun, but I think like her custom orders are cool. So you could like send her a picture and this is kind of her process of making it. So she traces it and then cuts it out of wood, and then finally she puts it together and kind of frames it. But like I said, like she has some that she just kind of pre-makes that you could order, and then she has things that she takes from her photograph. So I kind of set this up into two things. I had a buy now. Um, the things that products that she kind of keeps on hand and kind of cuts out. And then you could click on these individually and it will take you to the cart and you can add it to the cart. And then the custom orders is a little trickier. So I just kind of put a gallery of products that she has made in the past for different people. And then to get those, you would have to fill out this form and submit it, and it would email her. And I created this on WordPress, this website, and used can't think of what the thing is, but anyway, I have the shopping cart that you could actually buy stuff with it and pay for it with PayPal. So I mean that's kind of my business. They would come and buy this, and then I would ship it out to them once they ordered it. One thing like during the semester that I really had a fun time learning was Google Analytics. And I really wish like we would have spent a little bit more time, but I think this has huge potential to help my business prosper in the future. And obviously my campaign is over. But I really liked it, and I was trying to look for it, but I like that they had like a bunch, like when the campaign was on, they gave you a lot of suggestions of like words, like keywords to use and things like that. And one thing that I haven't added that I will in the future to make this better is a blog, so we can kind of talk. I think blogs help. They help like instead of it just being a business, like people, it's more personal, and you can kind of relate stories of why you're making these products, and you can link to them and things like that. So that's something that I plan to start on here in the future. But anyway, thanks for looking.